So the next stop on my journey is Seattle. So you might be wondering, why Seattle? Well, this weekend we have a 3-day live trading event. And you see, these days I cannot be at every single of these events, but this is one of the events where I personally want to be there to spend 3 days with people who want to learn how to trade, who want to learn how to become financially free in 3 years or less. So yeah, this morning I left Cape Cod, jumped into a plane in Boston. It was a 6-hour flight to get to Seattle, and here I am. Now, trust me, flying is a little bit easier when you're flying first class. So this makes a 6-hour flight much easier. And it was actually a pretty cool experience. Now, this morning I was way too tired to film it for you, but I'll do it on the way back and show you a little bit behind the scenes. Talking about behind the scenes. So I want to show you what we do to prepare for this event, to get ready for those who are here live with us. And I hope that one day I meet you at one of our events. So let's peek behind the scenes. As you can see, the team is busy preparing the room, making sure that we have all the materials for our students that are joining us this weekend. We're expecting close to 50 people, and you see, this is what I like about the events. We like to keep them small because that's what it's all about. It's the Rockwell Trading family. You know that family for me is important, and this is how I feel about this business. I feel that this is a family business, and I feel that this is a family of traders that are coming here, that are joining us at these events. So I'm very excited about this. It is the night before the event. It is a Friday night, and so I'll be here for the next 3 days, and then Monday night I'm going back to Boston and to Cape Cod to spend more time with Julius at the regattas, because we have another big regatta coming up. But now let's get ready for the weekend. We're excited to spend these 3 days with people who want to learn how to trade, who want to learn how to become financially free in 3 years or less, because that's what it's all about, right? If you just keep doing what you have always done, you're always getting the same result. So this weekend we will work with 50 people who want to have more money, who want to have more time, who want to have more fun, who want to have less stress and a larger impact. We are working with 50 individuals who want to become financially free in 3 years or less. We're working with 50 individuals who want to learn how to trade. And I'm very excited about this, and I hope that one of these days I will see you at one of these events.